Don't toss that sad wilted mint from your fridge just yet. It looks dead, but we can easily save it. Taking it out of the wrapper, you can see the old roots look completely dry and gone. But the secret to bringing this back to life lies entirely in the stems. Grab a clean pair of kitchen scissors. We're going to give each stem a fresh snip at a sharp 45-degree angle. This is a crucial step because cutting it at an angle maximizes the surface area, allowing the stem to drink up fresh water much more efficiently than a flat cut would. Before doing anything else, we're going to gently strip away any of the lower leaves near the bottom of the stems. You want to make sure absolutely no leaves sit underwater, because submerged leaves will quickly rot, spoil the water, and ruin the whole process. Next, clear off and wipe down your workspace to keep everything nice and clean. Hygiene matters for plant propagation. Now take a clean glass filled with about 3 to 4 inches of fresh water. Gently place your prepped mint stems right inside, making sure they have plenty of room to breathe. And that is literally all it takes. Give yourself a thumbs up for saving some kitchen waste.